Hi, this is the final response in regards to Chapter 6, and this is a summary of what I picked up from you from your videos and documented so that I can remember it in regards to elements 15 through 22. In Chapter 6, Marzano discusses the lessons that include practicing and deepening the lessons so that the students understand the why and are able to apply the cause and effect. And then teachers can do this through direct instruction and application lessons. So element 15, several of you talked about it involving students skimming information to prepare for what they would learn. Element 16, teachers can determine what is important for students to learn and use repetition to make sure that students realize what is most important. So they may, raise their hand every time there's an important statement or an important piece that the students need to make sure and highlight in their notes or recall. They may raise their voice or just do something to trigger to the students that this is a piece that you really need to know. Element 17, teachers have students review content and relate it to prior knowledge, and then they make the connection between the prior knowledge and the new information so that they see that they're building on what they've already learned. Element 18 is use of accommodation strategy, where students take note of what was learned incorrectly, they make revisions, and they learn from their mistakes so that they know how to do things correctly from then on. Element 19 involves the students reflecting on what they've learned. Element 20, providing only purposeful homework. 21 is transfer knowledge. It involves connecting the learning with real-world application. And, I'm meeting with business partners often, and they continually tell me there is a need for students to take the academics and put them into the workplace. So many graduates from where we are can do the math. They understand the reading, they have the comprehension down, but they can't transfer their academics to the workplace. So that's one of the things business partners tell me all the time. We've got to make sure that they are graduating with transfer knowledge. Element 22, interaction with the content through collaboration with others and learning how to work through the material, the content, the application with a team or with another person through collaboration. Element 22. Educators should view learning as a constructive process and continually build on what the students know. And enhancing knowledge means that they take the old content, they add to it, and then they create opportunities for application.